Ubico is a revenue intelligence platform built to help businesses find, target, and convert their ideal customers. Whether you're in logistics, manufacturing, packaging, or any other B2B team with a specific buyer in mind, Ubico gives you the data, the tools, and the automation to reach the right people at the right time. Let's take a look. This is the dashboard. From the left sidebar, you can access your entire workspace, all your contact and company data, ways to find and import new prospects, and everything you need to run your outreach, campaigns, newsletters, templates, and tasks. And here in the center, you get a live snapshot of how your outreach is performing. Things like deliverability, open rates, replies, conversions, plus your total pipeline value and how fast your team is responding, all in one place. This is the importers section, and this is honestly one of the most unique things about Ubico. Instead of guessing which companies might need your product, you're looking at real trade data, companies that are actively importing and exporting right now. You can filter by Canada or the US, switch to US imports, and the data gets even richer. Shipment volumes, shipping routes, what products they're moving. So let's say you sell into the paper and packaging industry. Just type it in as a product keyword, set your filters, and instantly you have a list of active US importers. Once you have the companies you want, export them directly to a segment. There you tell Ubico which people to find at those companies. Choose how many contacts you want per company, and save. Now let's talk about how you actually build your list. When you create a segment, it depends on whether you're looking for people or companies. For people, you have 3 ways. Prospecting if you want to find net new contacts, data-driven if you want to work with contacts already inside Ubico, or just upload your own list. For companies, you also have 3 options. You can pull from trade data using importers and exporters, find companies that have already visited your website, or again, upload your own. Once you pick your source, let's say prospecting, you can either apply filters manually on the left, or just describe who you're looking for in plain text. Something like find a supply chain manager at manufacturing companies in the USA, and Ubigent handles the rest. Set your contact limit and save. That's your list, ready to go. Once your contacts are in, you can enrich them right from here. There are 2 ways to do it. The first is ad enrichment, where you get a library of ready-to-use prompts. Things like validating emails, finding phone numbers, generating a first email sentence, or go deeper with web search and AI content prompts. And under integrations, you'll see all the tools already connected. Your CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zoho, plus data and AI providers. The second way is adding a column directly. Click Add Column and select Use AI. You get a blank prompt where you can type anything you want about your contacts or their companies. So whether you're working from a pre-built enrichment or building something completely custom, it all happens right here inside your people view. Now let's put it all together and create a campaign. Give it a name and move into settings. This is where you configure the foundation of your campaign. First, your audience. Pick the segment you built earlier and decide whether current contacts enter right away or only new ones going forward. Then choose your senders. You can add multiple email accounts here, and Ubico rotates between them automatically to protect deliverability. You can also set a sending schedule so emails only go out when you want, and exclude anyone who shouldn't receive this campaign, like existing customers or active subscribers. Once settings are done, it's time to build your workflow. This is where it gets powerful. You can describe what you want in plain text and let AI generate the sequence for you, whatever fits your use case. Or start from scratch or pick from a template. Flow is fully visual and drag and drop. You can see exactly how contacts move through your emails, delays, conditions, and branches. Once you're happy with the workflow, you set your goal and exit conditions, basically telling Ubico when a contact has converted or should leave the campaign. Then review everything and launch. This is the unified inbox. And once your campaigns are running, this is where everything comes together. Every reply from every campaign lands here automatically, and Ubico categorizes them for you. Interested, not interested, not now. So you always know where each conversation stands without digging through your email. Let's open this one. You can read the full thread, see the entire conversation history, and reply right from here. If you're not sure what to say, just hit Use AI, and it'll draft a response for you. You can also leave internal comments for your team, so if someone else needs to take over, the context is already there. And next to it, you can pull up the person's details without ever leaving the inbox. This is website visitors, and this is honestly one of the best ways to find warm leads. You connect your website and Ubico tells you exactly which companies are visiting. Not just anonymous traffic, actual company names. You can see what pages they're looking at, how long they spent, how many sessions they've had, so you know who's genuinely interested before they ever reach out. On the right, you get company details and their full engagement history. Under the People tab, you can see who works at that company. And if you want to target these companies, just go into Segments, select Website Visitors as your source, and build your outreach from there. Last but not least, integrations. This is where you connect Ubico to the tools you're already using. Your CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zoho, Monday, Membrane, and Go High Level. So your data stays in sync across everything. Automation and website tools to capture visitors and form submissions. Notifications through Slack and Microsoft Teams so your team gets alerted when something happens in Ubico. Whatever your stack looks like, Ubico fits right into it.